Hi folks, my name is Raju. Welcome to my YouTube channel Data Raj. Today we'll discuss how to build calculator in Python. Here I will use Kiwi package in Python to build a calculator GUI. Kiwi is a free and open source Python library that enables the rapid and easy development of highly interactive cross-platform applications. Kiwi's execution speed is the same as compared to the other mobile development alternative like Java for Android, Objective-C for iOS. Additionally, Kiwi has the use advantages of being able to run on multiple platforms just like HTML does. In this case, Kiwi works best because it does not rely on heavy browser and many of its components are implemented in C using the C Python library so that most of the graphics process run directly in the GPU. Kiwi offers an excellent balance of performance and portability in various hardware and software environments. We don't need to use any file named as file.kv for building a calculator, as a calculator is a very simple application. Let's see how to build a simple calculator GUI with Python. First, we have to install Kiwi. How to install Kiwi? I am going to the official website of the Kiwi. You can find here the installation process and documentation. Yeah, this is the official website of the Kiwi. Here you can find install. Just click on install. For Windows and Linux users, for iOS, they have given. For Windows, just you have to use pip command. Pip install Kiwi. Here you can find the documentation. This is the documentation of the Kiwi. You can read the documentation and you can work on the Kiwi. Now I am going to my Spider to explain the coding part. Just write pip install Kiwi. Just write pip install Kiwi and just run it. Then we have to import Kiwi. Here I am importing from kiwi.app, import app, from kiwi.uix button, import buttons. For layout, for grid layout, for labels, I am importing all from the Kiwi. Here I am defining the class DataRaj app. Inside the class, I am defining the methods. In this method, I am giving the button symbols in our calculator app 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. For calculation purpose, I am giving this layout buttons. And for grid layout, this is the code. For labels, I am defining the labels. For evaluation purpose, this is the code. I am writing in the try block. This is the code for clearing the label. Remaining all things Kiwi will take care. The calculations and everything Kiwi package will take care. Remaining all the things. Just we have to define the labels, the size of the label, the font size, remaining everything Kiwi will take care. Just I am running this code. After running this code, you can see the magic. Yeah, it is running. Our calculator is ready. We do some calculations. 2 plus 2. 4. Yeah, it is working fine. Then you have to clear here. 5 into 9. Yeah, 45. It is working fine. 8 minus 9. Yeah, minus 1. It is working fine. 8 divided by 2. Yeah, 4. It is working fine. It is very easy, friends. You can build your own calculator with few lines of Python code using Kiwi library. I hope you liked this video on how to build a simple calculator with Python programming language. Feel free to ask your valuable question in the comments. Thank you. Please like this video, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.